BA 6th semester basic students. Today I start with Sudha Murthy's lessons. This is the basic book, and I show you the cover page 6 short life stories of Sudha Murthy. So, this is the book. So, it contains 6 short stories of different personalities written by Sudha Murthy. So, of all these 6, I go through them. What the titles? The titles are, the first lesson is Bombay to Bangalore. This is a very fine story of a girl and who came in contact with Sudha Murthy while taking her journey from Bombay to Bangalore, and she took her to the hostel, and she gave all and education, and then what happens in the story, let's see. And second one is Reshma's Avva. Third story is The Day I Stopped Drinking Milk. Fourth one is Sharing with a Ghost. Fifth, Shraddha. Sixth one is A Mother's Love. So among these, the first lesson is Bombay to Bangalore. So she says it was the beginning of the summer season, and I was boarding Udyana Express at Gulbarga. So she started her journey in a train. The name of the train is Udyana Express. So it started from Bombay to Bangalore. So she has to get down at Bangalore station. As I boarded the train, Sudha Murthy says, I saw the second class compartment was jam packed with people. So you know very well. Though the compartment was reserved, there were many unauthorized people in it. This side of Karnataka is popularly known as Hyderabad, Karnataka, since the Nizam of Hyderabad once ruled this area. There is a scarcity of water here in the Hyderabad, Karnataka, which makes the land dry, and the farmers cannot grow anything during summer. Hence, many poor farmers and landless laborers from Hyderabad, Karnataka immigrate to Bangalore and other big cities during the summer season for finding the jobs. They go to the construction jobs at Bangalore. They return to their homes in the rainy season to cultivate their lands. This was April, so the train compartment was particularly crowded. You know very well, you have traveled in the train, and the position of the reserved compartment, usually many people they get inside the reserved compartments, and there was a little trouble for the reserved people. So one such story Sudha Murthy says here. It is really a wonderful story. And when she started her journey from Bombay to Bangalore, so she happened to know a girl who came inside the compartment, and usually it's a very, full. It is a full of people, even though it is a reserved compartment in which Sudha Murthy was traveling from Bombay to Bangalore. And I read the second paragraph here. I sat down and was posted to the corner of the berth, railway berth, seats. So all the people, they get inside the reserved compartment, and Sudha Murthy was taken the ticket of that berth. But she was posted to the corner, and all unreserved, candidates who have accumulated the seat, who have taken the seat. There are already 6 of us sitting on it. So on one berth, already 6 members were sitting. I looked around and saw students who were eager to come to Bangalore and explore different options to enhance their careers. So Sudhamurti saw people, and among them so many youngsters, students who have come inside the compartment to go to Bangalore and to seek jobs, some works, so that they can earn in the summer season, and they come back to their native places during the other seasons, rainy seasons, and they carry on their other works. So students were also there in the railway compartment. There were merchants who were talking about the about what goods to order from Bangalore. Some businessmen were also inside the compartment. Some government officers were also inside. Though were criticizing Gulbarga. So people usually they talk about the places, people, and who were going in that compartment. They usually criticized the place called Gulbarga. Staying here is impossible because of the heat. It's a summer season, that's why how they experienced a very very hot season. That's why they talked about the summer season and the temperature. No wonder people call this a punishment transfer. So whenever people have transport from Bangalore and other cities towards Gulbarga, Bijapur and other Hyderabad regions, they usually call this kind of a transfer as a punishment transfer. That's what Sudhamurti is telling this. The ticket collector came in and started checking people's tickets and reservations. So usually this happens in every resort compartments usually, and in other compartments as well. So when the ticket checker who get inside and he started checking the tickets, it was difficult to guess who had a ticket and who had a reservation. So some people they had tickets, but they had a second class tickets, but they got inside the resort compartment. Some people had tickets but no reservation. This was an overnight train, and people needed sleeper berths, but they were limited in number. People who did not have a reserved berth were begging the ticket collector to accommodate them somehow. It was next to impossible for him to listen to everyone. So this is a very big problem for the people, and because they usually beg the ticket collector to adjust for the reservation berths, and this happens usually. So this is the case in which in this compartment they began to beg the ticket collector for the somehow to adjust the seats and to, I mean, pay some more money. That's what according to the, I mean, calculations. So this is how we have, and let us start a real story. Then I stop and I continue this in the next video.